Hello, good evening, guys. This is Hassan Abdessalam from Get Informed. Today we will talk about Lathe Modifier. Okay, let's first create our line and trace to this cup. We will start, as we said before, to draw the vertices in the mode corner. This will make editing them easier. After that, we can edit and make according to the level of details we want, smooth or Bezier curve. Okay, for these middle vertices, we will make them smooth, and the other ones will make Bezier corner. I guess we are here. We may delete this one or move it a little bit. In order to handle your smoothness with curves, you should have less vertices. Okay. Next, we will select the spline sub-object and select the sub-object and go for outline to make an offset to give thickness to the glass. Okay, maybe that's enough. And as we can see from the image here, the glass is being thicker, so we will move it a little bit. Okay, so easy, no problem at all. Yes. And we will go here to give it a little bit of curvature. We will try to choose these two vertices and make fillet, and these two vertices we will fuse and weld. Okay, nice and clean. And after that we will go to the modifier list and lathe. Okay, first we have not exactly what we want, but let's check two things. The axes. Okay, let's check whether if we are choosing the right axis or not. Maybe 95% you will find two strange shapes with the axes and one right one, and after that we will go to align, maximum and center and minimum. Okay, in this case it's minimum. Okay, that's good, but I guess we have two more issues. First one is the segments. We don't have enough segments, so we will increase segments here, maybe according to the if you are near or far from the camera. So maybe 30 is enough, and here we will use weld core. Yes. Maybe that's it, will be enough. 30, yes. Okay. Okay. Second object here, we have a table lamp. We will start with its upper part. Yes. Let's make it its easy as that. And go to modify lathe. And we will try to make it minimum, but it's not what we want. And go to sub object, which is the axis here, and move it a little bit to match our shape. After that, we will go to draw another line for the structure of the table lamp. Yes. No curvature from the beginning. Make you fast, and after that you have the great chance to edit. Okay, and yes, almost. Okay, we will go after this to vertex sub object and try to match, and lathe modifier minimum, and select X sub object and try to adjust the cross section thickness. Okay, I guess this is enough. And go to edit with the vertices. Maybe here we will make maybe fillet. Yes. I guess this doesn't need more than fillet. Yes. We'll just click all of these and fillet them to give us smooth. Maybe this will convert it to smooth. Bezier corner or Bezier, yes. I guess this. When you are editing vertices for the cross section, try to edit before making outline. If you are making outline, in this case we will not make any outline because all is solid from inside. Okay, and let's fix this part, show end result, and try to move the vertex of the base a little bit. Yes, that's it. And we have already weld core activated, so that's it. I guess we still have this turning on and turning off handle. Make sphere. Make copy for and check it's in the right place. Yes, make copy, maybe 25 is enough instances, more than enough. I'll delete this one and these two and make unique for this last one and increase the radius. Okay, I guess. As they are lots of geometry here, I will make group and name it. Okay, and group, another group for the table lamp. Okay, that's it. Thank you guys. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel and share videos and go to watch other videos. Thank you so much, and don't forget to save your file. Thank you.